Webbies, welcome back to my channel right here. And of course, as you can see from the title, this is gonna be my product Empties of January since last year. And of course, before we get into it, I would remind you to, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe now, be part of the beauty squad, the squad that is always all over the place. Of course, give again this video a thumbs up, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much for loving and supporting this video. So you can ring the notification bell so you will always be notified. But of course, let's jump right into it. A Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and of course a Maybelline Fit Me again powder. As you know, I use this every so damn day, so I have that on. I have this on. If your concealer gets a bit gunky, as you can see from the tube right here, dispose it. Please dispose it. So I recommend it as well. It will stay all day on your skin, so I have a backup of that. But I also again have the Nivea White and Firm Serum, which I have in a little tube right here. I also have a backup on this. It smells so good, and it will smell so good all day. I promise you that. It's that awesome. So first, the serum with Q10. So have used this all up. This is the Drops of Light from the Body Shop, the Pure Healthy Brightening Eye Cream. Now, I started using it last year, almost lasting for an entire year. I have been using this under my eyes, rolling it up. It has this kind of metal on the front, which if you put this on the fridge, it's so good for your under eye. It's so cold, so it will reduce the puffiness that you have under your eyes. But for the price of this, I didn't really see that much of a difference. It lessened my under eye circles, but not that drastically, so I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this again. But if you're looking for, you know, a good eye cream, you can go to the Body Shop. This is awesome, but you kind of have to buy it over and over for this to work. So the Jeju Aloe Fresh Soothing Gel. So I have used this all up. There is nothing more on here. I have bought the Jeju Aloe Ice, which I have here on the background. This is the one that I'm using now after this. I don't know what I like on the two. That other one is much cooling, especially if you put it also on the fridge. It is good for sunburns, and if you have something on your face that kind of irritates you, you can put those you can put that on and it will soothe it really well. This one though has a more, I don't know, water consistency. I can put this all over my face even if it's so wet. It will not peel off in chunks, which is so weird on that one, because that one I need to put just the right amount, or else it will just, if you do this business on your face, it will peel off like little, I don't know, little beads. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this one or the other one, but depends on moisturizing. They're the same thing. I just don't like how that other one peels off. So I have used up all of my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Well, I have a lot to say about this. If you have sensitive skin, this is great for you because this has no added fragrance. Basically, it's not harsh on the skin like other micellar waters do. The only thing is it does not remove your makeup fully. Like, it will remove some of it, but not all of it. And I have the one for oily acne prone skin. I don't know why I did that. I have dry skin. So I need the other one, not this. But it mattifies your skin. I think it did mattify my skin. Actually, I have really dry skin, especially on my area right here. Like you cannot see it, but I have skin kind of peeling off on this area. I don't know if this is the one who did that on my skin. I am not sure. It's good, it's affordable, but I am using this other one. This is the Nivea Micellar Skin Breath Acne Clear 0% alcohol micellar water. I will let you know if I love this or not, but I started using it. So next thing in here is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I have run out of this again, but I have backups of this. Like I said on my review, it gives your skin this healthy glow from within. It looks healthy, it looks nice, and that's all I'm gonna say about it. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth every penny that you spend on it. So I used the My Beauty Diary Arbutin Brightening Mask from 7-Eleven, which is crazy. This is the whitening and radiant firm and smooth. I used this last night since I am watching Bohemian Rhapsody and I don't have anything to do with my face. I did this. I have the black one. This is 90 pesos for one use, and you can really tell what it did to your skin, especially mask. Like you have to use it consequently every day, and this is expensive if you use it for a month actually. So, and I kind of have these spots after I used it. So we're gonna go into some feminine action. So this is the Lacticid Odor Block Daily Feminine Wash. It's important that you have this for us to not trigger some infections, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this one, I don't know, it's okay, it's good, but I don't know if I'm gonna purchase it again. It did its job, but I have read from the internet, from researching, that this has harmful chemicals, that we should go just use the betadine one, which is the pink one, also a feminine wash. But it says what it claims to be. It's just that I'm scared of those other chemicals in there. So I'm gonna try the betadine one, and I'll let you know. I have the simple Kind of Skin moisturizing facial wash. I finally run out of this. I'm using the COSRX now. This is okay. This is just okay for me. I guess the COSRX more than this one. But it's really good if you really have sensitive skin that is really prone to irritation and everything, because this will clean the heck out of your skin while giving your face natural ingredients that will not irritate it furthermore. So it also has multivitamins apparently, but this is kind of up there in price with facial wash, the same as COSRX, but I think COSRX, I can notice the difference more than this one. So I have two hair care in here. I have the Sunsilk Creations Damage Reconstruction Shampoo. I always use this one in orange because I have damaged hair from coloring, heating, and everything that I do with my hair. I use this one. It will really repair your hair, and it leaves your hair so smooth and so good. And that also goes to the Cream Silk Dry Rescue. I use this both. As you can see, I always need to rescue my hair. This one is from damage, and this is for dryness. I have really massively dry hair. I don't know, skin, hair, nails, they're all dry. I don't know why. This is the Hair Reborn Conditioner. and it smells so good. Like if you have your hair in a ponytail, you removed it, it smells so good. Out of all the cream silks that I have used, this and the green one smells so damn good. But those are all of my empties this January. I always gather this all up for this video right here. It's kind of a mini review, you know? Why not? And of course, that is it for me this night. I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna cook downstairs. Otherwise, they will not eat without me there. Yeah, so like I said, rapid fire, like, subscribe, and ring that button so you can be always here with me. So I will now go. Bye, welcome.